Right, gents, in this video we're going to look at how to set this up as a layout so that we can print it as a PDF and submit it on Teams. So we're going to go down to layout over here. This is where we're going to edit the layout to give it what we want. But I want you to delete this. So we're going to click and drag, release and drag. So it's click, release, drag. And then we're going to delete that model view window because I want us to start that from scratch so that you have an idea of how that works. But the first thing we're going to do is right click on layout and we're going to go to page setup manager, right? And we're going to go modify, right? So the name we want is DWG to PDF, right? The plot style over here, we want it on ACAD, right? Then we're going to come down to paper size. It's got ISO A4, 297 by 210. That's fine. We actually want 297 by 210 because that will put it into a landscape. Now, if you want to push the borders, which we can do here, and in fact, let's try that. So there's full bleed and expand. We don't quite need a full bleed here. So we're going to go to ISO expand A4 297 by 210, right? And then I'm going to go to extents. I'm going to center the plot, right? And what I'm going to do here is make sure that I have a scale of 1:1. And then I'm going to press OK. And then I'm going to close it. And you'll see that the border has pushed itself out a little bit to give us more page width to work with, right? So the first thing we're going to do is create a new layer property. So we're going to go new layer and we're going to call this border line or border. Okay. I'm then going to choose a line weight of, I'm going to use 0.30 and go OK. I'm happy with that. I don't need it any thicker than that. Right, and I'm going to choose the rectangular command, which is this command over here. I'm going to click. I'm going to zoom in and just make sure that I'm just inside those extents. I'm going to click out, and that's probably a little bit too close, so I'm going to do that again. Probably just come in a little bit more. There we go. And I'm going to drag, scroll across to the other side, and then click there. So we just got to make sure that that border sits within the extents. Right, that's perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go create a little title block over here with your name, all right, and the title of the worksheet. All right, let's do that now.